Welcome to the show, and welcome to Glow So Bright. So, today we're over at Scottsdale, Arizona to go and check out the event hosted by Scottsdale Tactical. Many industry leaders are out there, including that of Haley Strategic, Safariland, and others. Let's go check it out. Over at the parking lot, there are a bunch of industry representatives present. Many companies and brands doing a collaboration or partnership with Haley Strategic. Safariland, Snake Staff Systems, Tor Knives, and Scottsdale Tactical were present, and they were selling products which would integrate itself with Haley's chest rigs and belts. Trijicon was present, Walther, Glock, as well as Sig Sauer. Sig has some very interesting objects on display, as well as the newest rifles such as the 5.16 Gen 3, as well as the M7 rifle. For neat things on display with the firearms company, I'd say Noveski has some cool stuff. Sure, they have the 6mm ARC carbine on display, but a surplus Humvee and the e-bike seems quite neat. Now for what is the most unusual, it'd be from Fiocchi. Just take a look at that gun case. There are other vendors present, such as Scorpion Ammunition. At the event, there is a raffle as well, with a bunch of stuff shown. Firearms, ammunition, pouches, medical supplies, knives, hearing protection, and some other things. A cigar lounge trailer and food trucks were present as well, but I hadn't filmed those. And there are free energy drinks available. But I forgot the flavor or company about what I particularly got. But there are other vendors as well, such as a Phoenix energy drink. I checked out the Haley Strategic booth and looked at their D3 belt. And with a promotion during the event, all Haley Strategic products were offered at 25% off the displayed price. I go to the public showroom, bought a belt which is sized to myself, and looked around. The mannequins set up on display with the current lineup of products look pretty neat. Yet my favorite thing on display in the showroom is a sheep. I was invited to the back of the showroom by the staff. Each display has a story behind it. There is so much to cover, yet I didn't film everything. Such as the story of why Haley Strategic uses Dragonfly in their logo. That Travis Haley is the inventor of many of these first-generation Magpul attachments, such as an Nimbus sights and angle foregrip. And the comic, Black Powder Red Earth, has Travis Haley to help create it. Going further into the back, each display has a story behind it. The mannequins over there would not feature the current lineup of Haley Strategic products, but Mr. Haley's personal kit during his service in the Marine Corps. Mr. Haley is also present and would tell stories relating to his experience. These lessons learned from him, the tuition, the price paid, is often blood. There was also an AK and a 1911 on display in a glass case. I asked Mr. Haley about the story behind it, over in Liberia, and he told a very heartfelt story about it. One where I cannot do justice myself in telling it or summarizing it, but it was a story that also was said in the Shawn Ryan podcast, and I'd recommend listening to that. Either way, Mr. Haley and his staff did an excellent job organizing this event. They helped me set up the belt I just bought from them and setting up the pouches. Mr. Haley himself is a wealth of knowledge, and I gave my undivided attention to him, and my camera was to the side. While there isn't as many vendors as there are in other firearms media events over in the state of Arizona, being over at the Haley Strategic showroom and being invited to have the privilege to go and check out what's over in the back and to listen to Travis Haley's stories out there, it is quite nice and heart-touching. It really tugs at the heart. And it's better than what I expected, and the people over there are kind and accommodating. And me grabbing a belt at the same time too, which means I'll go and try and get my hands into more firearms related media and content, such as that of competition shooting. But with the event about to close over at Scottsdale Tactical, and with it being the afternoon, it's little, but I learned a lot. Thank you very much for watching the Glow So Bright channel.